So this has been a project which has been in my head for a very long time. And I wanted to test the market, which I had already tested in our old building, and we were inundated with requests. So this building came in the market, and the estate agent contacted me because obviously I had put my name down with loads of estate agents, and he contacted me and he says, yes, you come and view it. The minute we walked in, and I said, this is the place. So our first floor, I always wanted to give room and space for artists to do the development of their art form. So that's what's happening. A lot of individual artists, and we have art space for those individual artists to use for their workshops and bring in their own art form to the local community, or anybody who wants to learn about origami, painting or whatever. Then we go on to the second floor where there is a dance studio, and there is a real demand for dance studios, so that's going to be, but then we have our own South Asian Dance Academy who will be residing here now. Then we go to the third floor, which is basically the Art Root Collective, which is the refugee and asylum group, which meets every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Downstairs we will have a community hub where there will be cooking demonstrations and Taste the World. On our website there will be the whole program which will be going on, and then we will be putting the program of work outside as well, so that people who want to come and learn about Rangoli art or henna art or origami or Chinese calligraphy, Polish art or Mexican art, they can just walk in. And not only that, if they want to learn how to dance or how to paint, how to do their sculpture, music, so that will be all going on in different parts of the building.